Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it at night before bed and you will be amazed with the result. It vanish wrinkles and fine lines literally. This magical remedy is super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It deepens your nourishing deep your skin and will remove the wrinkles naturally and will get you rid of sagging skin naturally without any side effects. It works like filler and laser and it gets you rid literally of wrinkles and it nourish the skin literally very much to the point that will vanish the wrinkles and the fine lines around the eyes wrinkles and mouth wrinkles. Any wrinkles you do have, this will work for you 100%. You can apply it on your hands also and on any place that you do have wrinkles. I recommend you apply it all over your face and on the neck as well, and it vanish the wrinkles naturally, my friends. But before we start out, it's a request: if it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new video you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is half teaspoon of rice flour, and rice flour is super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines. Here I'm adding rice flour, grinded fine rice flour, and then I'm going to add on it around 20 ml of rose water. We need that much. Stir very well. We don't want any chunks or any lumps in this. And place it in a microwave oven or on the stove for around 2 minutes on the stove and around 30 seconds in a microwave oven. Now my friends, after heating it, we are going to get this cream gel, this gel paste. So we're going to add the rest of the ingredients to make sure this works. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of natural milk. Add around 1 teaspoon of milk and mix it well. Then my friends, we need to add 2 capsules of vitamin E, and vitamin E is super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines naturally. We need to add 2 capsules of vitamin E. Cut the capsule like so. And add it on the remedy. Now mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed. This magical cream paste, my friends, is a miracle literally. It removes the wrinkles and vanish the fine lines naturally, and it's super effective. Store it and use it every night before you sleep. Apply just a little thin layer like so and massage the skin with it. As you can tell, the skin absorbs it so easily. Your skin will absorb the ingredients very easily. And apply it on the neck, on the face, on any place that you do have sagging skin and you want to get firm baby looking skin naturally and remove the wrinkles and fine lines. Keep use it every night before you sleep to achieve the best results, and I promise you guys you will notice a great results with that remedy. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.